so for like the idea of this edit, I want to be like those type of edits, y'all know what I mean, like, you know, yeah, and that's what I was going for. And I wanted to edit Soul because I was editing him from like my secret account, but then it flopped over there, so I was like, okay bro, I'll just post it over here. And yeah, right now I'm doing like flips. Yo, I was struggling on this part because it didn't look good no matter what I did, and I was like, what the fuck? But I figured it out. Trust me, bro. Trust me. Yeah. For this part, I only had whoa, I only had one picture. I was like, I want to put Dinky in here because look at his hair, he looks like Dinky. But my friend said that, and at first I wasn't gonna do that. I wasn't gonna say it because I was like, oh my god, what if people don't agree? Because Dinky doesn't have black roots, like, guys. Anyway, so yeah, there's Dinky. There's this part is very cutesy. I added the little anime run thingy overlay. So yeah. The clip looks a little boring though, and I'm trying to like find stuff to add. I should have did a different thingy with the yellow, but like it's fine. I just left it alone. Yeah. Ignore that Discord notification. No, we're at the banana part, and honestly, I was just adding stuff because I know I wanted that type of background, and I was like, it kind of looks boring. So there's a banana and there's a lemon. It correlates because it's yellow. I don't have much to say on this part. Like, it's as simple as in your face, you know? Okay. Now it's time for the simplest part of this edit. I didn't have much to do. I literally made this whole edit because of this picture. Like, it's so cutesy. Yo. Did y'all hear that? Can y'all hear that? I'm not re-recording because who wants to do that? Anyways, I'm like recording this outside. Anyways, yeah, I add a heart. I drew the heart. It looks a little botched, but like, you know, imperfections are beauties, okay? Imperfections have perfection in it. Have y'all ever thought about that? Shakespeare could even do that, okay? And yeah, I actually changed this part of the edit, because yeah.